Next is a test for proteins. Now, how are we going to test for proteins whether they are present or not? Now, it is pretty simple. You would add drops of Biuret solution. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स और ग्लूकोज के लिए हमने क्या किया ना फॉर कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हमारे पास कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स को टेस्ट करने के लिए कितने टेस्ट हैं वी हैव अ स्टार्च टेस्ट वी हैव अ ग्लूकोज बेनेडिक्ट टेस्ट ठीक है ग्लूकोज भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट है इट्स अ मोनोसैकेराइड स्टार्च भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट इट्स जस्ट अ पॉलीसैकेराइड बट फॉर टेस्टिंग स्टार्च वी हैव अ आयोडीन टेस्ट for testing glucose, we have a Benedict test. For testing proteins, we have a Biuret solution test. इस Biuret test में क्या करेंगे? Now let's say you have a food sample and you want to check whether this food sample contains protein or not. Does it contain protein or does it not contain protein? We don't know. We are going to add some few drops of Biuret solution in it to the food sample. ये आपके पास जो है, this is your food sample and you are going to add it Biuret solution in both of them. If the Biuret solution, अब Biuret solution का जो color होता है, that is blue. The color of Biuret solution is blue. So if the जो आपके पास color है, if it remains blue, आपके पास एक negative test है, which means that the proteins are absent. But if the solution turns from blue to deep purple, this is a positive test, and it will tell you that yes, proteins are present. तो अगर आपके पास color blue to blue ही रहा, if in the start it was blue, at the end it remained blue, this means that they are not present. If the solution changed from blue to purple, this means that yes, proteins are present in the food sample. So here you can see that I have using a dropper. ये आपके पास एक चीज होती है which is a dropper. Using a dropper, I have added a few drops of Biuret reagent in the food sample. अब Biuret reagent का color होता है blue. ठीक हो गया. If it remains blue, this shows a negative result, मतलब कि proteins are absent. And if the solution turns purple, this is a positive result showing that yes, proteins are present. And this is how Biuret solution test is carried out. Here you have the Biuret solution, which is blue in color. इस Biuret solution का क्या color है? Blue. This is the food sample that you are going to test. This is a positive result and this is a negative result. Positive result के अंदर क्या color आ रहा है आपके पास? Remember the colors, very important. Purple color, which means proteins are present. Negative result में क्या color आ रहा है? Blue color, which means that the proteins are absent. So positive Biuret test results and negative Biuret test results both can be seen in test number 1 and in test tube number 2.